Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on Windows. First, you will need to download and install the EA app, which is the exclusive platform for this game. Once installed, create a new Electronic Arts account or log in with an existing one. Then, you can purchase The Sims 4 base game and any expansion packs you desire directly through the app. Always check your computer meets the minimum system requirements before buying. To ensure a great gaming experience, your Windows computer should meet specific requirements. You will need at least 4 GB of RAM, and an Intel Core i3 or AMD Athlon X4 processor is recommended for optimal performance. Your graphics card should have a minimum of 128 MB of RAM. Additionally, make sure you have at least 26 GB of free hard drive space available for the game installation. Once you have purchased The Sims 4, navigate to your game library within the EA app. You will see The Sims 4 listed there. Simply click the download button to initiate the installation process. The app will guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to complete everything. After installation, you can launch the game directly from your library and start playing immediately. To enhance your Sims 4 gameplay, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to match your PC's capabilities for smoother performance. Exploring official expansion packs will introduce a wealth of new content and gameplay options. If you are interested, the community offers custom content and mods, but always download these from trusted sources. Finally, keep your game and graphics drivers updated for the best stability and experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.